Well, I brought a helper along on this flooring project, remodeling project. And these Klockwerks here, Klockerks Roomba, shows up for work. Awesome. AI is pretty cool in a lot of ways, but there's some fears to be had. Awesome. So I brought Klockwerks today because there's very fine dust on the floor from having torn up all the ceramic tiles and the exposed concrete. Between the two, there's a lot of fine dust. So Klockwerks here is going to help get all that fine dust up, then clean the floor. The homeowner friend will clean the floor with Bona hardwood floor cleaner to get it nice and more pretty. This has been a hell of a project. Started out as a floor tile repair, but there were so many loose tiles. Between the homeowner and myself, probably thought best to just go ahead and tear everything up and put new flooring down. This flooring is from Lowe's, SmartCore Pro, and it's pricey. I believe it's about $65 or $67 per box, and I think comes with 6 strips. And it took a lot of boxes so far. I think we went through maybe about 36 boxes. All right, Klockwerks, clean the floor. Thank you very much. Cheers, everybody.